Hi folks, St. Paul's team here with a Wilesco D36 Old Smokey. I've had it for a little bit. There's the original box for it. It's an older one. The box is okay shape. I'm not a big collector of boxes, but it had one. And I've gone over this pretty thoroughly. It's a fine sound running machine, and it runs equally well in both directions. I've made a brass barb here to run it off of air. I'll include that with it. Here's the original safety valve. Works fine. And this one has a pressure gauge on it. Maybe the only one that does. I cleaned out the boiler. It's nice and sound. And when I built this mount for the pressure gauge, I also was able to retain the 0 to 30 psi or 0 to 2 bar. Let's see, it says 2 bar, just 0 to 30 psi. 1 inch gauge face, 1 inch face, and she's a really fine runner. Has a little bump in the roof right there and right there, very small. Of course she'll run up. And of course the mechanism works for the drive. There's the original tray. See, it's pretty clean. It hasn't been fired a lot. I think with that pressure gauge being that high, this is a plastic lens right there, but I think it'll be high enough above the flame in the tray that hopefully it won't be an issue. Not tried one for this yet, but I suppose if it is, there's always a metal plate that could be made for right in there to cover up that opening. But anyway, it's a really fine runner. I work on them until they are. And thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Have a nice day now. Here, we'll look all the way around at once. Bye now.